Hello everyone, my name is Jamie Meehan and I manage the IDEAM Cluster. IDEAM is the National Advanced Manufacturing Cluster in Ireland. We're funded and supported through the Regional Technology Cluster Fund delivered by Enterprise Ireland. Our core value proposition is to support manufacturing SMEs with their business growth through the lens of digital and green transition. We are very much an industry-driven cluster and informed by the industry needs about how we should structure and deliver our cluster services. Unlocking and igniting new opportunities through strong collaboration is core to what we do in IDEAM. We have 4 key strategic pillars in terms of how we support the cluster ecosystem. 1, talent and skills, upskilling and reskilling industry on their digital and green needs through our leadership in digitalization of manufacturing course as an example. 2, research and development by going on site and understanding the current problems and challenges that companies are facing and how do we collectively come up with solutions within the research ecosystem in the cluster around their digital and green needs. 3, internationalization and funding. We have many EU funded projects within the cluster and then helping companies to export and work with like-minded SMEs across Europe and globally to come up with projects and collaborative solutions. And 4, business and community development in order to come together during workshops and events and to talk openly about new ideas. For example, our annual Manufacturing Solutions event, which is on the 14th and 15th of June of this year, bringing together a larger manufacturing ecosystem by sharing knowledge and identifying new business opportunities. Industry want us to even focus on new business creation ideas, linking in and empowering female engineering, and also to focus on the next generation within the manufacturing and engineering ecosystem. Why we joined TCI is that access to the global cluster ecosystem and to learn from each other and to link in with like-minded cluster managers that are in similar sectors to ourselves and experiencing similar challenges and sharing ideas about how they come up with the solutions to those type of challenges that they're experiencing. TCI is also very much like a family, and that whole ecosystem of collaboration is very much a part of that community. And it has helped me personally to look at the cluster business model and strategy that we have in IDEAM moving forward. So we're delighted in IDEAM to be part of TCI as an active member and look forward to the next event in Iceland as well, for the TCI ecosystem coming together.